What is up, everyone? How are you doing today? Today is Sunday. We are doing a back-to-back double header of going out on the water. We were out yesterday, Saturday. We went to Shell Key. We went to the north side. We went a different route. I'll make sure to put a link in the description over here somewhere. I'll put a link there for you. Link down in the description so you can check out that video. Really nice day on the water. Today we're heading out to Egmont. Been checking the weather. It's nice and flat. We're in the YouTube studio here. Different spot. So I've got Jackson at the helm.
What's up, everybody?
So he's gonna be taking us out there. He's got to learn a little bit. He's doing all right. And then we got Kim.
Yep. Out here doing it again. That's how we roll.
So we're going out there. We're gonna be doing some beach burgers. We got the world famous beach burgers. So we're gonna do those on the grill. Gonna grill those up. We can Egmont. What's cool about Egmont is you can have a charcoal grill. You can bring that on shore there, and you can cook up whatever. We do have a gas grill which we have attached to the boat, which is fun. But sometimes it's nice just to grill up actual burgers there. So it's Easter Sunday. Not sure how busy it's gonna be out there. It's looking like a great day for sure. We're gonna go ahead and get going. We'll see you out there. Sanctuary park right there. Jackson, go ahead and get on, get that front anchor.
We're anchoring.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse this buoy back in here.
Oh, okay, I can see now where so you're going right in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna back in, so we're nose out. Probably use 2 anchors.
All right, go ahead and throw it out.
Yeah. All right.
Have enough line?
Yeah.
All right. Just gonna go put the stern anchor out.
Thanks, babe. Now we can adjust this too, like if we wanted to be in a little bit more, we could make some adjustments so we could be a little bit closer to shore, because it is, you can see how good depth right now. But I think it should be all right for now.
All right.
Let's see how it goes. Since this is a popular spot, you'll have a lot of people, so usually this spot people will have 2 anchors. And even if you come out here, because that happened to us before one time where I just had the 1 anchor, they came up, they put in 2 anchors, and then we started swinging.
Oh, you want to put a buoy on the front?
Yeah, let's do that. Hey Jackson, can you get a fender? This is to mark the spot where the anchor is at, because in that way someone's going to come and anchor. We don't want them anchoring right up on the top of our.
Taking it in?
Can you go ahead and start taking in some of your
Take in some line.
Gooch. Nice cat, dude.
You just can't beat this. You can't. Well, go ahead and, we're not a professional cooking show. Oh, you put the ranch on there. Let's see.
Usually you like would smash it in with the burger.
Yep. So we're just gonna put some of these boys on there. These are already cooked. You just kind of warm them up. Cool.
This is what we got going on. It really doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't. Cheese is going on, folks. Cheese is going on the burgers.
All right, we got the burgers here. The fresh burgers.
You only brought one plate?
No, I'll get more plates.
Oh.
So if you want to dish that up.
Yep.
Sounds good. Go ahead. Ours are both the same, so. That's good. That's good. Cheers.
Crazy. There you go. That's good.
Cool. Perfect.
Sweet. It's beautiful. But you don't have to get that first bite like you always do.
Go ahead and get that.
No, I'm going to get your first bite.
I'll show you guys how it's done. I just got mayo and ketchup on mine. Let's see.
How is it?
Oh, good. So.
I didn't get to get you biting it.
You're good. You're good here. You got it a million times.
Yum, yum. We're gonna eat these burgers and we'll be back with y'all in a minute. Nice clear water, 70 degrees, feels good. Still a little chilly, but we got a lot of people out here having a good time. That's what it's all about. So we're gonna head and we're gonna pack this up, get stuff put away here, and then we're gonna take off here shortly.